Hello, I welcome you to this presentation. It's a summary about an article. You find the link at the end of the presentation. It's about a web-based integrated system for international project risk management. Overseas construction projects tend to have a higher possibility of loss or failure compared to domestic projects. Emerging risks can be burdens beyond the contractual scope, permission delays, bankruptcy of local contractors, frequent rework due to changing regulations. At the bottom of the picture here you see the basic project management plan with 5 phases. Every phase of the project requires a unique decision-making process. Scenario-based checklist is designed for contracting, construction, and for the maintenance. Firstly, we need to input all data. What's the customer, construction site, the country, where the project will be installed, the planned start and end of the project, the field conditions. It's important to consider risk management and contract management guidelines. The highest effects of risk management we have at the beginning of the project. At the end of the project, we have the highest information level obtainable. We start with 36 risk factors and end with 201 risk factors because of the higher information level at the end of the project. The bid decision often becomes a matter of subjective judgment based on company's experience. 36 risk factors were identified at the beginning of the project and categorized under 5 categories. We have the level of competition, the degree of risk amount, the position in bidding of the company, potential profitability, and the project characteristics. These attributes are evaluated. In the next step, we get an evaluation result. Scores less than 50% satisfaction was found to be a definite no-go. The main steps in the checklist are the identification of the risks, the quantification of the risks, and the establishment of a risk strategy. Risk variables have traditionally been estimated by 2 criteria, by the impact and the probability. Point X shows a point with high probability and low impact. Point Y shows a point with high impact and low probability. Usually Y is considered as more important. So it makes sense to introduce a third criteria like significance to find a more or a better solution for such comparisons. Here you find the link to the article. Thank you for listening.